Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be addressing an issue that came up on the 2017 Buick Encore, which it just started shaking and sputtering. So by using HP tuners, I was able to pull up the DTC codes that the computer had, and it was reading P0131, P0137, P0171, P2270. The other nice thing about having HP tuners is that you can run live data. So here you can see that it was giving me some misfires, and also you can see the RPM, the timing, the spark. You can see that the numbers are acting very erratic. So this isn't something that has to do with an oxygen sensor or something to that nature. It has to do more with an air leak to the system. Okay, here's your problem. Got an air leak. Alright, there we go. No more air leak. So the problem was the PCV valve that's built into the valve cover. And RPMs are stable. So the valve cover replacement fixed the problem.